Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about inheritance and let's take a simple example about it. So imagine buying a phone and we discover that every app has to create its own camera, its own contact and settings from scratch. So that will be a disaster, right? So that's exactly the problem inheritance solves in programming and we're going to talk about it in a while. So let's talk about the most generic example here, right? Animals. So as we know, every animal has a name, it has an age, it has an ability to eat. So if we talk about dogs, all of those have those things. Similarly, cats have all of those things. So if we're talking about it, does that mean we rewrite the same code again and again? Absolutely no. So what we're going to do right now is let's create a parent class. Create a parent class animal, and I do a def, and I do a init, I do a self, comma name, do this, and self dot name equals to name. Then what are we doing is def 8 of self. Then what we do is print, take a string here, self dot name, and is eating, right? So this is our parent class. It contains the common functionality that every animal should have, right? Now we are going to create a child class. So what we are doing is we're creating a class dog of animal, right? So class dog animal, and then we are doing def of bark self, and let's say we print it woof woof, right? And right, so if you notice this line, right, class dog animal, this class automatically inherits everything from animal. So it gets its name, it gets to eat. We didn't write them again. So let's use them now, right? Dog is equal to dog of Rocky, and let's call it dog dot eat, dog dot bark, and let's run it. So Rocky is eating and woof woof. So dog got eat from animal and bark from itself. So that's inheritance, right? If we take another class of, let's say, let's take another class, right, of cat, and we take it animal, and we do the same thing, def meow, and to itself, and we print meow. Now let's use it. Cat is equal to cat of Luna, and then cat dot eat, cat dot meow, right? So we should get output Luna is eating and meow, right? Similarly, right? So the beautiful thing about inheritance is, without the inheritance, there will be a lot of duplicate code, hard maintenance, and more bugs. With inheritance, we have a reusable code, easy maintenance, and cleaner design. So it always has a is a relationship, right? You should always remember that is a relationship, right? So let's say dog is an animal, cat is an animal, car is not an animal. So if this sentence makes sense, right? What I'm trying to explain. So inheritance probably makes sense to here. So inheritance means write once, reuse everywhere. I hope you understand this. Practice a lot. In the next video, we'll learn something even more powerful about polymorphism, same method, different behavior. See you there.